My Nintendo Switch been fixed. Yay! See? New battery. It works. Just like after 3 to 5 years, just replace the batteries in your Switch. One. Because they'll go bad and they're only like $20. 15 to 20 bucks. And then you got YouTube videos that tell you how to put these together. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Like, subscribe, and write a comment if you want. You guys have a good day. And it's not big anymore. It's just normal. And the plates are good. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Bye.